Welcome everyone by the Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, May the 15th. We are breaking a bum box full size helmets. One box break here. We randomed up our 59 remaining box numbers. Got big number 9. Random teams as always on your left. Teams and customers have been randomized, alphabetized. We gave you all a chance to trade. Had a couple offers, but nothing being accepted tonight. So here we go. Myself. Oh, come on, camera. You damn thing. Bam! Well, gonna be a Buccaneers hit, folks. Come on, camera. What the hell? Focus. This friggin' thing, man. Really? What the shit, man? There it goes. Ah, that fucking thing. Well, bam, we're going to be a Tampa Bay hit with the Antonio Brown, and he did sign with them again this year, guys. JSA certification and card on that one. Your card's right there in the face mask. I'm actually going to put that in the back. Bam, but Antonio Brown starting off with 2 mid hits there, folks. See if we can find one of our big boys. Well, that is going to be a Terry Evans. Terry Evans is going to hit that. Bam, nice hit for you, Terry. Not a monster, but a middle grounder there. Camera. Alright, so that is going to Mr. Evans there. Alright, putting it up, switch out our camera. Alright, here we go. Well, we got a 5. Alright, you have a go one, pull boy. 1, 2. Whoops, shit. Forgot to pull out, bam. Forgot to pull out Terry there, sorry. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. Well, GG going to be our double qualifier on that. That is going to be qualifier 19 and 20. We're only 10 boxes into our series, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook. Have a good one.